Hi, everybody. George here. I hope that you are doing well wherever you may be. Today, I had something cool that I wanted to show you guys. Ta-da! This is a painting that I did. I have a lot of free time. Anyway, here we see two birds on top of some branches of a pine tree in a winter setting. We have some pine cones, some berries, and I don't know what kind of birds they are. Maybe they're cardinals, or maybe not. I had a good time doing this. Can't say it's my favorite painting, but you know, not every painting is gonna be your favorite painting, but it's not that bad. Thank you.